Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. This is a 5-minute video on Cricut. Today I want to address intricate cuts. Have you ever had a cut that was intricate and you keep cutting it and it just keeps tearing, or it doesn't cut all the way through, or you just have all kinds of issues with it? All right, there is a setting for that might help you. Oftentimes, sentiments in letters, like if you want to cut happy birthday, for example, will be a difficult one. The way I got this was I simply went to text over here on the left side of your screen, left click, and a text box will come up. I'm going to bring this over here. So all I'm going to do here is type happy. Now I'm going to come over and select my font. So let's say we want to use, just because it's right here and it's quick, BFC Foxy. All right. Then we want something that's in a written font. All right. So here's one right down here, DTC Bikini Babe. I'll select that one. Let's write birthday though. So we need to select another text box. Now you'll see it came up as the same here, right? But we can change that just by simply selecting it. And we said Bikini Babe, didn't we? There we go. There we are. Let's just make this a little smaller. This one a little larger, just for fun, all right? So now this is the font we want to use. Well, when we go to cut this, these little itty bitty pieces can be challenging. So here's my suggestion. We're going to go to make. Right. So I'm going to cut this on a mat. It's going to be 12 by 12. And my paper maybe goes this way, so I can move this here. So I can just cut it on a piece of paper that's maybe 4 by 2. Then I'm going to click Continue. At this point, you want to be sure that your Cricut machine is turned on, and you're going to watch right up here for the please wait, and then it will list what kind of Cricut you have. Then I have some bookmarked here. These are some that I really like. And the one that I like is for letters, is cardstock for intricate cuts. So I'm cutting cardstock, but it's going to be an intricate cut. If you do not have that bookmarked, you can find it by coming to Browse All Materials, left click, type in intricate cut. I can click the little magnifying glass, and there it is. So then all I do is choose it, and I say done. And now you can see it is going to cut cardstock for intricate cuts. All right, I hope that was helpful. Any comments or questions, leave them below. And I hope you enjoyed this really short 5-minute video in Cricut Design Space.